Most common question with what? What is your name? What time is it? What are you doing? What do you want? What happened? What is this? What do you mean? What's the problem? What do you like? What did you like? What do you say? What should I do? What are you thinking about? What's going on? What can I do for you? What are you thinking about? What do you need? What do you believe? What do you see? What are your plans? What did you do yesterday? What do you think? What's the matter? What do you mean by that? What do you want to eat? What are you wearing? Thank you so much for watching.